Chaos. We're going to an eval. So after here, we're gonna be covering a little bit of my updates in Maize. I didn't really feel like making a full video today. I didn't really have to, cause I have to do something in the morning, so that I'm just making a quick little video. Don't expect to get any views at all, but let's get into it. So that's the game. Let's get into it. Let's actually, now the first thing I gotta tell you actually is, well, I'm about to turn the volume because it's really loud for me. Actually, I think this is my headset, but you get the point. We're gonna be, yeah, the music's probably gonna be fixed. It's an issue to the fact that the audio quality is very low. However, the issue is if it's not low, it's huge, and I don't know what to do. So, actually, I probably should have started this first, but I kind of wanted just an easy to do thumbnail. So we switched over to using a tile manager called Simple 2D Tile Editor version 1.0.1. And it just makes tile managing super easy. I'm currently working on the desert one, so actually I'll give you a little bit of update in this one. Basically, this is gonna be a mini boss. This is gonna be the little guide player thing, and this is gonna be the what do you call it, the dungeon of this map. And well, I guess I'm gonna say the actual game now, like what I've done. I finished the tutorial section, so this is actually a little spoiler, but well, this is a little spoiler, but I might change some stuff anyway. So you spawn here, and well, your goal is to, you know, this is a little tutorial section. So my idea is you go here and you do this. I actually have a little bit of a save one here. I just like press U. Your progress saved. This is not going with the game. It's a debug key because I don't really feel like needing. Because first of all, you can spam it, and if you spam it, your save file breaks. Like, if you spam it like 50 times, I think your save file will break. I don't want people to do it. And second of all, I don't think it's really that fair if you're going to save scum. Especially so easily. Like in a normal game, you have to like go in a map path menu, but I don't feel like doing that. But you have to get the chest here, and you can get it here. You get a pickaxe. I gotta remove the axe, and I also gotta fix the this text, little overlap, so I gotta, you know, add a little indent here on the bent, and maybe even change the dialogue. I also gotta, you know, remove this from your inventory when you get here. So now you go, I'm assuming you gotta check out the ladder, so you, like, you know, go here, it gives you a little tutorial. Hey, you see this ladder? Enter it. It is a save room. You can save your progress here. You go up here. You go in a little vent here, and it changes the music. Actually, a little thing. I actually fixed the method for music. I made two ones now. Now it's a lot less broken. Basically, instead of me having to, and I also overrode the day-night cycle as well. So in game, like here would not become night and stuff. You'll actually see it later on, but it also prevents me from it also encompasses having a switching of the audio, like the music, which means instead of me GP stop and starting in the actual transition, which is kind of a mess and pain in the ass and also doesn't work well, it's a if statement via the current area and all. Same with the and also map spawning. So you go here, and that's my thought. See the page amount. This is just a tutorial. Once again, I'm not finished with this update. I have to finish. I have to add dungeons and all, but that's pretty much it. It's coming up pretty. I don't know when it's gonna come out. I mean, if I want to be generous, I could say July, August, but I don't know. My goal is to at least release it by November, hopefully this time. But it's actually gonna probably come, and you can get the key over there, but there's another key. It will save you a little bit of time if you're speedrunning or something. This game, it just makes it like a little bit easier, since you don't have to deal with going and getting it another way. But there's two ways of getting it. So then you mind this, you get the yellow here. You get the little bullet life and the life extending, and you go up here and you go to the little boat, and you go here and you go to that little thing, and the idea is you see this little my thing. I'm pretty sure you're gonna go up, explore a little bit, get this little. Hey, look at this door. Pick up that key over there and use it. It basically tells you what keys and all. I mean, you probably know one. I already have a key in the inventory. Like that's why it's there, cause It will save you some time, especially if you know the game, but you don't have to go over the key over there. And sometimes mobs will spawn here. Not spawn, but just be here. But in this case, no. I also know if the enemy, as you see, it doesn't insta-kill me. Or, like, it doesn't even see bullets anymore. Actually, it may or may not have. And also, it's slow, a lot slow. And also, I think you can outrun it now. Because I was just doing a lot of nothing of the game. And you go, hey, let's de-exit to the sewer. Remember, you cannot enter. I did it because, namely, I didn't really feel like adding the transition state. And also because, And I go here. And you see, this is the first thing. Hey, it seems like the crocodile has a high defense. Your face are too weak, etc. And, well, our fists, pickaxe cannot do any damage to him. So, you gotta go up and, try to find the, sword. And I actually kinda like it like that, because I could have had it where it overrode the day, but I decided to turn it at night, because I think it looks really cool. Actually, I think it looks really good, so. There's another crocodile that can kind of jump scare you a little bit. And you go up there, you go here. Oh, you see this little door? You think maybe if you got a key, it's gonna work, but this key does not work. It's a special key. Yeah, actually switch it for a weapon, and we died. What freaking thing happened? What the hell? Oh, fuck, what happened? I don't think it's actually my game sensitive this time. I think it's like for some stupid reason maybe I got lost. I guess we have to kill. I'm gonna make another instance of it, I suppose. What the hell? Thank God for X kill. Godsend. And let it go up there. Go up here. We have to go back now because that stupid thing. Kill. Yeah, stupid. The Pokemon kind of sucks this game. Well, actually, I don't think it was. I wasn't in Pokemon's actual fault. I think it was just the game, like Java, because yeah, Java is slow, unstable. Like some of the issues of like the audio and all is also just to do with pipe wire. Like if you try on a Windows machine, I've had less issues with it. It's not, and also depends on the Java. Like I think if you use an older version of Java or something, it might be better. And you can also kill them out with little bullets. I don't know if I'm gonna say no for the increase the bullets. Yeah, there's a chance. It's a really high chance of dropping a pretty a hard, but it's not a zero. It's not a guaranteed. There's only a few mobs that are guaranteed. The tutorial sock, crocodile, which I was gonna say, which we actually will save like very soon. Okay, we're gonna go up there. Yeah, got a little key. Check it out, and I can out. There's guards that slow. Probably even doing this or something. And look at yeah, I know game. I don't know why I'm saying game because I'm literally the programmer who making this. Yeah. Now let's hope this time it will work. Now, if it crashes, I'm saving. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit of a broken save, because once again, someone's gonna be inventory just breaks. My idea is I think you're getting so much data that because it's memory inefficient, for what I'm using, so if you if you save, like, many times a second, my theory is I think it kind of, like, has a little bit of a glitch in the save and just messes up your save data, because what it does is, it uses a savable library, and there's also a save place here. And the idea is, once you get the understood, you can kill him. And there's a tutorial sock, which is just the. I also gotta change where the this sock spawns so they don't kiss each other. But it gives you a special key which can open the doors to get to the other section. And the other section is the same sewer. But in the sewer, but it's also in code. Actually, a little trivia fact: the code is actually swamp because for some stupid reason, when I was making all the assets of this, which is just the green slime and swamp and a dough, I called it swamp. I don't know why I called it swamp because it's not a swamp and I can't even speak today. Hey, I think this guy, yeah, I also teach you how to use your shield. Like, you can do it, but he does a fair bit of damage. Maybe I should make his damage a little higher, but if you like actually kill him, he will come for you. Oh, not. He will usually come for you. It does more damage, like you double the damage, but Yeah, it's pretty. It's not. It's a mini boss, but it's the first mini boss, so it's pretty easy. I mean, it's pretty easy, especially if you know the pay mechanic, and you also get lucky, and you also have some new bullets. Like it depends. Depends how. Okay, we killed him. You get a asparagus, which is the equivalent of like a heart in the game. Like Zelda, you get the cock. Whatever it's called, the heart crystals. Is that called heart crystals? I know it's in Cherry, it's called heart crystals. I don't forget. Actually, I played so much Zelda. I still remember the game now. So you do it. It increases your max life by a little bit. You go here, you also get a super key because there's a small chance of you getting a better sword than the long sword, which will make the game easier. We need to open the gate. We go here. Most of it, you got into the city, and that's the main city. There's no NPCs or anything yet. It's a work in progress right now. A lot of the game. I need better audio, so hopefully the actually ask the guys what works in the asset. But you see right now here, it's a little city, pretty cool. Like suburbia is a little like nice middle class, or rich. Actually, if it's a city, it'd probably be like rich. Especially like grass in the area, usually. And it's gonna either be this. They may or may not be an underground. It depends if I can fit the gates, because there's gonna be multiple gates, and you go to the dungeon so you get to kill the boss and grab another key so you can get to the next area, and repeat. But I don't actually know if I can I don't know how much space I'll need. So if I need more space, I'll make the underground. I also have to add more content. I don't know how much more content I'm gonna add because I've been promising a lot, and the game's been in development since November. Before we end this video, I'm gonna give you one last thing about about the what's coming up. So what's coming up is I think I closed it with. Oh shit! I closed the other instance of the tile editor. Well, basically, what I'll tell you is there's gonna be the sound area. So now there's gonna be like a mini boss, which basically what you have to do is gonna be an old man that tells you, hey, you see this enemy up there? Now the enemy's gonna have a high defense, which means your current weapons are useless against him, which means you'll have to get yourself a long sword or whatever sword I'm gonna pick. Probably a little bit of. I'm probably not gonna pick a long sword because you can get one from the Andrew Jackson. So, and you have to get him to kill him, and you have to maybe my idea is you kill an enemy to open another door to kill an enemy, maybe open whatever I feel like doing it, and you'll then get to the dungeon and all that crap. So yeah, we'll see. We don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, this video, once again, is just kind of a filler video, because I just kind of had to make a video quickly. Well, bye, guys.